in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix a bicycle stand using a hammer. And we're starting right now! But before anything else, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, so you will be updated for more Pektus videos. So let's go get started! So as you can see, that's why this bike is hung, because this bicycle cannot stand himself. But if you like this kind of repair stand, please check this video to learn more. So let's do this! See, if you put the stand on, it will stand a little bit, but a little bit wind, this one's get fall. Out. There's something wrong on the mount stand, so let's go find out. So as you can see, we slip over yung mount. Hindi kaya ng mount yung bigat ng bisikleta. Maybe yung ginagamit ito ng pinsan ko, hit something else, that's why na-bend yung bracket. So umpisa natin tanggalin yung bracket. Kukuha tayo ng tools para tanggalin yung bracket. Alin, 8mm. At kung mapapansin nyo mga ka-Pektus, nakita nyo yung scratches. So talagang dumudula siya. Sobrang bigat ng bisikleta, hindi kaya ng stand, kaya nag-slip over yung rod papunta dito o kaya dito. So paano natin naayusin to? As I said, gagamit tayo ng hammer. So isa lang nakita ko dito problema, yung mismong bracket niya nag-open. Ito lang agad napansin ko, na yung simula nakita ko yung scratches na yan, naisip ko agad, itong bracket na to, umopen siya ng konti, bumuka. So, ang gagawin natin, pipit-pitin lang natin to para mapitpit niya yung rod. So, tingnan natin kung Pektus. I'm using this one because I don't want to damage the floor. All we gotta do is just put it there and start smashing. I'm hitting this part and this part. I'm trying to close them. So I guess I bet it good already, so let's go try it. So it's not working, let's go try it more. Let's go try it again. Working. See? That's how you fix it.
Puta edi wow!
So it works. Not like before, just a little bit wind is gonna fall itself. So this one now can't hurt me anymore. Out.
Ginagawa mo.
I really didn't expect that hammer's gonna work. As you can see, it works. Here's more full video reason for you to subscribe. Hanggang sa muli, dapat sa buhay, matuto tayong Pektus. See you around, guys!